Welcome to the Florida Trucking Show. Let's take a quick walkthrough. So there's hundreds of vendors that descend on South Florida to show all things commercial trucking. This is an annual event, I believe. There's everything from debuting various parts and services to, of course, entire trucks. Oh cool, a grease trapping truck. Here's car haulers up ahead.
You don't want our picture?
So you just overheard those ladies comment on how beautiful the truck is, and I tend to agree. Look at this Peterbilt. This guy opening the bay on this one.